thanks for coming back. So I was talking to Michael and I was having a little bit of juice. Remember before we put the cookies in? But this is I told Michael, let's make a video of this delicious frozen fruit punch juice that I bought at the store. It was 89 cents. And I told Michael, I want to get one of these because it reminds me, you take your thing, whatever you want to like put the juice, you see? And then you fill 3 of these with water. So like I was saying, as we fill this, let me tell you, I told Michael, it reminds me when I was little, my mom used to buy these juices and she used to make them, and I think they were like a nickel. And she used to take like a quarter, I remember, and send me to the store, and I'd go get me 5 of these juices. So you put 3 of these in there.
Really, Mom?
Uh-huh.
A nickel?
A nickel. That was in the 70s. Yeah, in the early 70s. I was like 6, 7. And she used to send me downstairs to the bodega. We used to live in New York. And she's like, go get me some of those juices. She used to get the orange. It was orange and punch.
What was your favorite?
That's 2. I didn't care. I liked them all because they were good. And then Michael told me, just, we were talking about it. Michael goes, Mama, it reminds me of the lunch, of the juice that they used to get for lunch in school.
Yep.
And I'm like, well, they used to give us that, but not in a cup. We used to get it like in a container.
Yeah.
Like little container.
But it was the same juice in a little like plastic.
Like a sippy juice.
Yeah.
Like a sippy juice.
Yeah.
And sometimes they can make juice like with a little bit of a foil paper.
And you could tell it was like watered down, but
so
like
this is your juice,
it was good.
guys. So then you stir it, and that's it. And I'm gonna tell you, I wanted to know, see how many things, glasses you can fill with this. What do you say, Michael?
Oh,
how many?
at least 6.
And I mean, for 89 cents, look, I'm just talking to you guys right now. Hold on. Let's do this. Let's make a test real fast. We have a couple of minutes here to spare. Right, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I just want to see how many glasses of juice. Okay, if you have a family, let's say 1, 2, 3. I say 6 of these, right? Those over there are too full. Those over there are too full. We can take like a little bit out, and then finish filling these. Okay, hold on a second. Oh, that was, look, put it here. You see, it didn't dissolve all the way. I'm going to pour it back in the thing. I just wanted to see, guys, how many of these. Yeah, we can do exactly, right?
Oh, look at that.
Look, I mean, you can do 6 cups of juice. I'm just going to put like equally amounts so we can look like we're all equally amounts. You get 6 juice for 89 cents. Now let me tell you something. If you don't think that's a good deal, I don't know what is. Go to your nearest supermarket, grab yourself your fruit punch, your orange juice, your orange, your flavor juices that they have. They have all different flavors, from fruits to, like, you know what I'm saying, ice, anything you want frozen like that. You put it in your thing. Look at that, 6 cups. So with that, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe, do your juices. These are going back in here, so I'm gonna, like, you know what I'm saying, stir it back again and put my juice away and cool it out, because I have, you see me, that's what I was drinking before. So with that, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. Love us on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube. Look us up on Pinterest, on Google Plus. And I mean, where else, Michael? If you want to donate $1 or not, Patreon, the link below. Don't drink and drive. We love you all. Stay in. It's very cool. If you're gonna go out, again, I'm gonna say, don't drink and drive, and don't forget to subscribe and love us. Thanks for watching.